Hello, my name is Patsy Waggoner. I'm from StampsToDieFor.com. On Saturday, April 11th, I did a Facebook Live featuring the all-inclusive Notes of Kindness kit. The kit comes with stamp set, clear blocks, ink, embellishments, dimensionals, note cards, and adorable decorated envelopes to match. Everything you need to complete 20 cards, 5 each of 4 designs, except the adhesive. I recommend snail. It is my favorite to assemble the cards, and I used a little drop of the multi-purpose glue to adhere the tiny copper metallic baker twine bows. You can see one featured in this card here. The kit comes with basic stamp spot. You can see that the basic black Stampin' Spot will stain your stamps a little bit, so if this is bothersome to you and you want to avoid it, I would recommend purchasing a Memento ink pad. This is my go-to ink pad, the one I love the most. You can see it easily cleans off your photopolymer stamps and your red rubber stamps also. If you missed the live Facebook video, you can still see it on my Facebook group. If you aren't a member, simply ask to join. Go to the Facebook and in the search area type in Stamps to Die For, all one word. You will see a link for a page and one for a group. Click on the group and the join button. My example says join since I already belong to it. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy the off-the-cuff live Facebook video. Happy stampin'!